Analogue HD systems bring a combination of the high image quality of Full HD surveillance and attractive cost advantages. Image resolution is a key consideration when deciding on a system. With resolution from 4 to 5 times higher, Analogue HD captures fine details even across large detection ranges. The additional detail provided by Full HD images also makes it easier to identify registration plates, faces and other distinguishing features, even over large distances. This building is an example of how an Analogue system can be upgraded to Full HD technology with minimal setup effort. Firstly, existing Analogue cameras, shown in grey, are replaced by Analogue HD cameras. The angle of view, focus and image are easy for any installer to set up. Secondly, the recorder is replaced by an Analogue HD recorder. The HD cameras are connected on the recorder via the BNC inputs. Thirdly, since there is no need to lay new wires or set up an IP infrastructure, significant savings can be made.